Header and footer overview. This section outlines how each part of the header and footer is automatically generated and where every piece of information originates. The header left, the user full name retrieved from Salesforce user information. The header middle, the report name taken directly from Salesforce report. The header right, the Salesforce org instance name automatically detected from the connected org. The footer left, the user company name combined with required confidential information label. The footer middle, page number over total page count generated dynamically when XLSX is created. Footer right, the export date, timestamp apply at the moment the report is formatted. Optional feature, encryption, user may choose to enable encryption and apply a custom encryption code. When enabled, the final XLSX file will require the code to open, adding an additional layer of data protection. The screen outlines the complete workflow for processing a formatted Salesforce report through CRMReposAPI. The process begins in Salesforce, where you run the report and export it in Excel formatted or using a clear descriptive file name. Once the file is saved, you move to CRMReposAPI app page to load the report configuration and prepare the file for processing. First, search for the report name using the Smart Lookup field. When you select the intended report, click Get Selected Report to retrieve all stored settings associated with it. Next, drag and drop the exported detail file into the uploaded box. Set the report format to CRM format to ensure that CRMReposAPI apply all predefined header, footer, and formatted logic. If you are creating a new setup or updating an existing report, click Save. Then click Next to proceed. After the report is fully configured, simply click Process Upload Report. CRMReposAPI reads the uploaded data, apply your formatting, and prepares the final XLSX. When processing is complete, use a click to download uploaded report to download the finished, fully formatted, compliant Excel report. When exporting a formatted report from Salesforce, select Formatted Report and then click Export. Fit to print automatically optimize the Excel page layout by adjusting scaling, margins, and page width to ensure the entire report fits neatly onto the printed page. This prevents columns from being cut off, reduces unwanted page break, and produces a clean print-ready layout every time. When print preview is selected, the exported Salesforce formatted report does not include any header or footer or fit-to-print adjustment. These elements are not applied in Salesforce native formatted XLSX export and therefore will not appear in the print preview. Salesforce exports the report exactly as displayed on screen. With print preview, not all columns appear on a single view. Wide reports are split across multiple horizontal sections, requiring the user to scroll pages to see all fields. This creates a challenge when printing or sharing the report. On the initial CRM Report API page, you will see a Lookup Report field along with two quick links, Edit Template and Contact Us. As soon as you start typing a report name, these links automatically hide and a smart drop-down appear, filtering and showing only the matching report. Once a report is selected from the drop-down list, the drop-down hide and Get Selected button appear on the right side. When you click the Get Selected report, the flow immediately loads and displays all saved setup information to that Salesforce report. In the Lookup Report field, an X appears up on the right side. Clicking it clears the selected report and remove any displayed setup information, returning the page to its initial state. After selecting a report and clicking Get Selected Report, the flow displays the complete configuration for that report, including header and footer templates, formatting option, report type, encryption setting, and all previously saved customization. Every setting is automatically retrieved so the user can review or update it as needed. Let's start with the element definition and their sources. Left header displays the user full name. Center header automatically shows the Salesforce report name. Right header displays the Salesforce org instance name. Left footer user company name plus the confidential information label. Middle footer page number and page total count. Right footer export date and time. These elements are system controlled to ensure consistency and compliance. The spreadsheet formatting option CRMRepo API will automatically apply these, including print optimized layout, landscape, or portrait page setup for better page authorization. The process report is upload. Report format is formatted. Upload report, drag and drop, or upload using from user device. Slice and dice is not active for this upload. Altogether, the screen provides a complete, easy to understand overview of how CRMRepo API structure, format, and prepares a report before generating the final Excel file. This page guides you through every step required to prepare, configure, and process an uploaded Salesforce report using CRMRepo API. The screen is organized into 5 sections, each handling a specific part of the setup and processing flow. Report lookup. Begin by selecting the Salesforce report you want to work with. As you type in the lookup field, matching reports appear instantly. After selecting a report and clicking Get Selected Report, all related sections become visible, and the full configuration automatically loads. To reset your selection at any time, simply click the X inside the lookup field. This clears the field and removes any displayed setup information. Report Run Setup. This selection displays the core metadata for the chosen report, including the original report name, report ID, and the date the setup was last updated. You can edit the downloadable report file name, switch the report format to CRM format, and drag and drop your exported Salesforce report into the uploaded area. Report header and footer. In this section, CRMRepo API shows you the full header and footer that will be applied to the generated Excel file. The template includes system-generated elements such instance name, export date, company name, and page numbering. The only editable item here is the report name, which you can adjust if you want it to appear differently in the final header. Spreadsheet setup. Here you define how the final spreadsheet will look and print. CRMRepo API supports fit to print, landscape orientation, and standard tabular layout for option. If additional security is required, you can enable the encryption setup, which encrypt the final XLSX using a code you provided. Process report. At the bottom of the screen, CRMRepo API indicate whether this is a new report configuration or an existing one. If you are creating a new setup or have modified any field, you must click Save Report to store your changes. Once saved, click Next to proceed with processing the report and generating your final file output. When you upload a report to the screen by drag and drop or make a selection from your device, then the system automatically uploads this file and show you that it's already been uploaded and it's been done. If you proceed without saving your changes, CRMRepo API will continue using the previously saved configuration. In this situation, you will need to click the previous button to return to the setup screen and save your updates. Otherwise, the processed report will be generated using the last saved setup. Once everything is ready, click Process Uploaded Report to begin generating the formatted tabular report. Report formatted. Download report with header and footer. Read and print ready. Here is the processed report generated through CRMRepo's API. The output includes full spreadsheet formatting, optimized layout, and the consistent structure applied automatically. For a complete view of how the report will print, open File Print Review to review the formatting, and page layout. The processed report includes both header and footer, making it presentation ready and compliant. Fit to print automatically optimize the Excel page layout by adjusting scaling, margin, and page widths to ensure the entire report fits neatly on the printed page. This prevents columns from being cut off, reduce unwanted page breaks, and produce a clean print-ready layout every time. Instead of navigation to Salesforce to open the report screen, manually running a report, exporting it, and then uploading it to the file, CRMRepo API provides a built-in run report capability. This functionality originally introduced in CRMRepo Report Job Scheduler and now inherited by CRMRepo API. Allow report to be executed directly from the application. The report is automatically run, downloaded, and delivered as a fully formatted Excel file with all the configured enhancement applied, including header and footer, print optimization, encryption if enabled, and any additional processing rules. The run report features require a master login with the appropriate Salesforce permission. Once the access is configured and granted, or authorized user can leverage the feature without needing individual elevated permissions, provided access has been explicitly approved. Additionally, a CRM repo subscription enables you to schedule any Salesforce report to run automatically and be delivered to an assigned recipient. If your organization already has this subscription, there is no additional charge to use the run report capability within the CRM Repo API flow. The formatted run screen functions identically to the upload screen. The only difference is setting process report to run instead to upload. All other steps and processing behavior remain the same.